In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up autopay for recurring invoices in just a few easy steps. This process is relatively straightforward, but it's packed with powerful capabilities that can help streamline your billing process and ensure timely payments. Let's delve into the details. First, we need to head over to the right place on your platform's interface to get things rolling. Start by navigating to the gear icon, traditionally located in the upper right corner of your screen. This will open up a menu filled with a variety of options tailored to customizing your experience. You're looking for the Recurring Transactions option here. Recurring Transactions is where the magic happens when it comes to automating your invoicing and payment processes. Once you've accessed the Recurring Transactions section, you have the flexibility to either create a new recurring invoice or modify an existing one. If you're setting up a new invoice, make sure to input all the required information accurately. You'll typically fill in details such as client information, the frequency of billing, and the specific products or services being invoiced. If you're editing an existing invoice, ensure all current details reflect your latest agreement with your client and make any necessary adjustments for a seamless processing experience. Now here's where we focus on enabling one of the most convenient features available: autopay. Autopay allows your client's payment to be automatically processed on time, every time, without manual intervention. Look for the autopay option. It's usually a simple checkbox or toggle switch, depending on your platform. Activating it means that your clients won't have to remember due dates or miss payments, reducing administrative hassle for both parties involved. After enabling autopay, don't forget to hit that save button. This step is crucial to ensure that all your changes, including the autopay settings, are securely stored and implemented. Saving your changes completes the setup process, and your clients can now enjoy the benefit of having their payments processed automatically according to the frequency you've specified. And that's it. You've successfully set up autopay for a recurring invoice. This will not only help in enhancing cash flow consistency, but also provides a smoother transaction process for your clients. It's important to regularly check in on your recurring transactions to ensure everything is working as expected. Doing so can prevent any unexpected hiccups and assures that both you and your clients are on the same page with invoicing. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Automating payment processes can dramatically increase efficiency, so I encourage you to implement these steps. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to consult the help section of your platform or reach out to customer support. Happy invoicing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.